Hello. Good afternoon, good evening, everyone. My name is Kingsley. I'm your host, PPPDirhams. So, this evening we're gonna look at NAS100 and the Euro USD, but placing special focus on NAS100 because Euro USD is some sort of self-explanatory. I made mention of something in the morning, or do I say this afternoon, that Euro USD is gonna drop, retest, and fall, stuff like that. But then it seems as if this was not gonna happen. Well, at the moment we started seeing this, I talked about Euro USD jumping up. I think jumping up and dropping, retesting, and coming down to touch this line, and it just happened exactly the way I've said it's gonna happen. So the next thing we anticipate from price reaction at this level, you can see the reaction is not good for sellers, right? But eventually, if it breaks, fine. I mean, no harm done, right? So you can see this low, higher low, another higher low, and yet another higher low. In as much as this actually came all the way here, but it looks like another higher low, right? So if price did not succeed in going up, if it manages to, well, how do I say it? Flow through this level, good for sellers. But excuse me, I doubt if that is gonna happen. I doubt if it's gonna happen. Where I expect Euro USD to land today is somewhere around, let's see, 15-minute time frame. I expect Euro USD to land today somewhere around here, at least. Okay, this level must be taken out today. Okay, guys, not must. May be taken out today. Okay, so this level may be taken out today. I feel it's going to be taken out today because it's long overdue, right? It's long overdue. After NFP, it's been just test, retest, and stuff like that. So I believe this line, this trend line, is going to be broken today. It's going to be broken today. Okay, I believe, I'm not sure this is going to happen. Okay, it's going to be broken today, and then price is going to come all the way to this level or even break it somewhere here, then come back at 70 to 88% FIBA level, consolidate a little, just small consolidation and break. That break is going to be your entry for price to ride until this level. Okay, that is what I'm assuming that's going to happen. But if something else happens, it's fine. We are all good, no rush. Okay, then you apply other strategies you must have learned some other places. I believe we all have different strategies that we're using, right? All right, so let's move forward. By the way, I like what I see. It's beautiful. It's looking so beautiful. Okay, so let's proceed to NAS to see what NAS has got in stock for us. Really, just like German index in the morning, I don't think I'm going to take any trade on NAS today, guys. It's not respecting anything. NAS is just not respecting anything. It's just flowing down the way it wants, and this is not what I want for my life, right? I want to deal with law and order, right? But it's not happening here on NAS. It's just free fall, just doing some sort of free fall after 2nd of September. Is it 13th? Sorry, 13th of September, after CPI news. It's been doing some sort of free fall, just not respecting nothing. Okay, but then we can make something out of nothing. Of course, we normally do by the grace of God. Muslims would say inshallah. So let's look around and see how we can actually benefit. Last week's low has been broken. This is bad news for buyers. Last week's low is broken already, and really this is bad news for buyers. So if you're buying, you have open positions, buys. You may want to take a second look at that. Your open position is very important. Okay, so these levels, these are actually where we expect NAS to actually find support, you know, for some days before price continues to move up. Of course, FOMC perhaps is coming up next week. Maybe FOMC is going to help us clear this support. You know, maybe turn this support into resistance or make it remain a support. Okay, but then today that may not be the case today. But let's really, I mean, this is tough. What's happening here is tough. Yes, everyone you know, prays for good movement, but then what we see here is disobedience. Some sort of disobedience, right? Disobedience. So let's see. This guy does not have bottom wick, telling us that most likely it's going to turn back anytime. It's a very unstable candle, right? So you may want to be careful with that candle. And then zooming into 4 hours critically, we're going to see something very interesting, which is this level. How is price going to react to this level, right? How is price going to react to this level? We do not know. NAS daily candle is not stable. It's very unstable. You can see it's pretty much very bearish, but you're going to confirm if this is actually bearish or not by the end of the day. Okay, at the end of the day, you're going to see if this candle is going to flip or not. If it doesn't flip, fair and nice, but you don't judge next week's Monday with this candle, because next week's Monday you may wake up and see that NAS is already somewhere here, or is already somewhere here. It's just going to be some sort of free rise, you know. No rules apply. That is what is going to happen in NAS, you know. Go back to your charts and see what actually happened for candles like this, very fine candle like this, and the next one comes like this. It's always some sort of free rise, or I call it free fall, or whatever. The next day, the next candle is not going to be stable. See what happened here? Do you see? After this, the next day was just useless. See, it was just useless. Nothing worth trading there. But then if you use 1 minute, you're going to definitely see something to write home about. Look at this. After this fantastic fall here, the next candle does not have upper wick. Look at the next look at the next day. See, it's just nothing. It just behaved as if we don't have a direction, right? So that is what I wanted you to observe here. This something like that may happen here likely, unless at NYSE open volume, you know, pushes this daily candle down to this level. That is only when this candle is going to hold water. Okay, otherwise this candle is not going to hold any water. By next week I'm going to see what I'm talking about. Okay, so that is it. I hope that is clear. Simeon Conley. All right, so let's see what is the size here. We have 69 pips. Really, today is tough, guys. Today is a tough day. I'm not going to lie to you. It's very tough. I have not taken any successful trade on German index today, because you don't want to get into a sell position and a price reverses, because it's always coming up with you know, showing us some reversal signs, and if you jump into that, you are on your own. After a few moves, you're just gonna turn around and keep selling. And you know, you don't want to jump into a market that's already showing some, you know, that has oversold, right? So that's just the case with NAS today. NAS and do I say all indices in this index pairs today? Okay, so let me mark out this level as well. It seems pretty very important. Okay, so now that I've marked out levels, I'm not going to mark out levels that we don't need. Like, you know, this level looks very appetizing, but we don't need it today. I don't think price is going to see that. I don't think price may actually see that. You know, these guys, you can hardly say what they can do, right? So let's begin to join our trend lines. You know, our chart is looking pretty much very beautiful now, but after we are done analyzing, you're going to see it's going to look so ugly. So we join this line. we join this. So this is what we have now, right? So what do you think is going to happen is, I think price is going to go and hit this level, and with enough volume it could go up to this level, right? And of course, if buyers are not losing hope, it's going to get up to this final level as well. Okay, so this is what we are looking for today. So from this level all the way to this level is 182. But then what if this does not work out? What are we gonna do? So the break of this low, we don't have anything like, this is the only guideline we have, right? And we are pretty much talking about bullish move. Okay, if we don't see this happen, we may have to stay away from market today, or we may as well do something very important and very interesting as well. See whatever formation that happens here. If that formation is broken, we may take a trade down to these levels, right? Down to this, maybe take 100. You just mark out 100 pips and target 100 pips. Of course, close positions intermittently. Okay, so that is what I have in plans today. NAS, we are expecting NAS to do this, just to go up here. Okay, if NAS can give us a move to this upside, I think it's more than enough for one day. We are not gonna wait for price to come and break here and also break. No, nobody has that time, guys. Okay, let's just take whatever we have from the market and tell it thank you and bye bye. We just have to be grateful for that. Okay, that's all I've got today. Let's see how this moves. Okay, let me just try out a couple of things. This, no, not working. What about this? This seems to be nice. Yeah, I love this. I love this, guys. Are you seeing this? Joining this top, joining our, what level is this again? We have 10 minutes for volume to move in. Okay, joining 12,148 and 11,837 is gonna give us a fantastic structure right there. This is in 10 minutes, right? So the break of this means that price is going to move down so much, so we can actually get up to 100 pips. It's possible, very possible. And the break above means that price is going to move a great deal. It's going to move all the way up to this place. Well, I don't know what is going to happen today, so that is why we need to be careful, right? All right, let's see what price has in stock for us. EURUSD, man, can I talk to EURUSD, guys? Now, EURUSD, please, let me talk to you. If you want to move up, please move up. Stop dancing around, guys, okay? If you want to move up, move up. Stop wasting our time, man. If you want to move up, you move up, sir. We can draw up a feeble level for you. I want to see EURUSD actually break this high. If it breaks this high, then it has broken above, right? So it is bound to create some sort of fake out to come down here and gather some energy, more liquidity, right? And then maybe touch this line again to break away. We don't know, maybe it's gonna happen or not. But then I prefer to stay away from EURUSD. By the way, I've milked EURUSD today. EURUSD milked me initially today. It milked me up to 20% of my capital. Not my capital, my gains. Cost me more than 20% of my gains. And I would rather stay away from EURUSD this evening. I just want to focus on NAS to see if I can actually, get some nice opportunity today. Let's see. So guys, just special announcement for those of us that are hoping to join me on Tradingview and Twitch. Actually, my Tradingview account is banned because I was asking guys to follow me on Telegram. So they like I told you guys, I don't think it is allowed, so but I did it anyway. So they banned me for 1 month. So it's gonna be us and the other shitty streaming softwares where we stream to only YouTube. But then with Tradingview, we have access to varieties of social networks. You just need to click stream and select all the social networks you want to stream to and start streaming with Tradingview platform itself, and you get better, wider reach. You reach more people. But now it's not the case because I've been banned for 31 days. So I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't say that. Really, I wouldn't say that selling is a no-no. Like I said, if you are listening to me initially, okay. So guys, like I said, if you are listening to me before, I suggest that you play back to understand everything I said, okay? What I said is, looking at this formation, right? If this, man, the essence of having a trend line up and down is to know when up is breaking and when down is breaking, because sometimes these things are very deceitful. You may think, oh, because this place is slanty and this place is a little bit level, oh, price is supposed to break out from here for massive profits. You may be thinking this, and suddenly price is just going to break out from here, right? So the break of this low, of course, we're using 1 minute. The break and confirmation, of course, of the break by the break of the breaker. Okay. For instance, this candle is going to break this low, right? So the break of this candle that broke the low is going to trigger us to get into a position and look for TP somewhere here, but with closures intermittently. I believe this is clear, Simeon Conley. I believe it is clear. Okay. If you have further questions, please go ahead and ask, everyone. All right. Let's proceed. So now we are in 1 minute. Oh, it's getting broken, guys. What the hell is wrong with NAS? All the pairs, all the indices pairs. What the hell is wrong, guys? And where was I when this was forming? This would have been a very fantastic opportunity. Would have been a very nice opportunity. See, he did a very simple touch and a retest, touch and a retest to form our W, right? Let's measure this retest and see if we, yes, see, the retest actually hits our Fibonacci line. So if I had seen this, man, I would have just gone in here with stop loss at 7 pips. Wow. This was going to be massive, guys. It would have been very massive, but you need to know what you are doing before you begin to use this method, because this method, if you're not careful, if you have 2 to 3 winners, you feel you're on top of the world, and then you risk all, and then you become broke one more time. That's how this strategy works. Okay, if you use it, you're gonna win first 100%. You're gonna win the first 2 or 3 times, and after those 2 or 3 wins, it's natural. It's just human nature, right? So you're gonna feel on top of the world. You're gonna feel, indispensable. You're gonna feel, how do I call it? Which right word do I use? You're gonna feel like commando, you're forex commando, and and then that strategy is gonna milk you so hard. It's gonna milk you so much. You gotta be careful. So we have less than 3 minutes. We have less than 3 minutes to get that move we've been waiting for, right? So let's wait and see how it goes. Now, let me just show you guys a very quick tip, okay? If you just don't want to waste your time, there is news in 30 minutes. What will that do? Man, I don't pay attention to that news. That news, I don't really know how it impacts the market, right? August 12th at 6 p.m. Let's see August 12th. August 12th, 6 p.m. Let's go to August 12th. Tradingview, could you please take me to August 12th at 3 p.m. 6 p.m. That is Erin. Take me to Erin. Woo, guys, do you see that move? This is beautiful. Now, Tradingview. Oh God. Now, August 12th, Erin. Tradingview, please. You can see this is Erin. Nothing happened here. and currently you can see absolutely nothing. So we're not going to pay attention to that. But then the only thing we need to do expect with that news is a whipsaw. Okay, we expect price to push up and push down, you know, trying to stop us all both ways. If you're buying, it's going to stop you out. If you're selling, it's going to stop you out. Some people prefer not to use stop loss there, but for me, I prefer to be out of the market while that is happening. So whatever position we're going to take, we will take it and then pay attention to that time. Okay, so let me take a minute while we wait for NYSE to open. Let me take a minute and just set an alarm at 5:59 so that that guy does not catch me in the market. Whatever I'm doing at 5:58, I will say 5:58, I better stop completely. I better get out of the market. 5:55 is better. At 5:55, if we still have open positions, I think it makes sense if we close it in 26 minutes from now. So here we go, our volume time, guys, ladies and gentlemen. Volume. Okay, I know my people on Tradingview are waiting for me. Unfortunately, I can't even post anything at all. No, I can't post analysis. I can't do anything. Nothing. They just caught me on guard. Is it on guard, unguarded, or unaware, or whatever it's called? Guys, I love this. What is EURUSD doing? Push up. Guys, can I tell you the truth? I have open position actually on EURUSD, so that's why I don't want to look at EURUSD. And I'm never going to make this mistake again. Never. I'm just going to stick to simple positions. All right? I'm going to stick to simple positions. You know, sometimes we feel like gods and we make mistakes. Sometimes we feel indispensable. Okay, volume time, guys, is here. Volume is here. So the whole market is freezing, showing us that something huge is coming. The whole market is freezing, frozen, or whatever it's called. Okay, 1 minute. Let's go to 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. See, everything is frozen, guys. Maybe by the time they release the charts, maybe we see NAS somewhere here. Maybe, I think. So from what I have here, guys, this is what I think is gonna play. See, nice, and it's working according to my plan anyway. So this is what is gonna play out. Let's see how price is gonna react towards this level. Oh my god, guys, that move was unforeseen, unpredicted. It was a contingency, guys. Guys, see, NAS is not giving us any opportunity to get into the market. It's just jumping. It's not moving. It's jumping, guys. So unfortunately, NAS is playing us. NAS is playing us, guys. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? NAS is jumping. It's not moving. It's jumping. God damn it, this is not fair, guys. Oh my god, this is not fair. So what really happened here was that NAS filled this area, it filled this zone, right? It went and filled this zone, right? Now it's moving down. From my broker, it is pretty much moving very fast, but from this chart, it's just not doing anything. We can't see the move. Unfortunately, guys, we have to wait. Okay, let's wait. Now this is the deal. Okay, let's see if we can get price to come back here. Okay, if we can get price to come back here and we see a reversal sign, then we can take a trade. Okay, that is the only thing I can do now. There's nothing else I can do, fortunately. Let's wait. Let's see if price is going to come back here. Really, I don't know what's going on with Tradingview. Don't know. Maybe let me refresh my browser because this is not updated. For some reasons, it's not updated. Still the same thing. Let me see if I can. Oh, okay. I think it's beginning to work now. Still not working. Still freezing. Now we have two plans, guys. Two plans, okay? If price comes down to this level, comes up to this level, then we can look for a reversal. If it blows past this level, then we can look for a continuation, okay? If it blows past this level, we can look for a continuation. But then my fear is that this is a lot of money here. It's a lot of pips right here. So our stop loss is going to be huge. That is only my only worry. Our stop loss is going to be huge. It's going to be huge, huge, huge. I'm just worried about what is happening now. The market conditions, they are not fair. Let me just go to 5 minutes and have a good visibility of what is happening, because I have a belief that this actually may not continue going down. I don't know, guys, don't get me wrong, but if it continues, fine. Okay, let's take small advantage now, guys. Let's be smart a little bit. Now let's be smart. Okay, let's play smart. Can we all play smart, guys? Let's play smart now, because we gotta play smart. If you don't play smart in trading, you'll be played completely. Okay, this is 31 pips. Okay, so I say the break of above there is gonna push price. My god, the pips are very small, but then it's okay. The break of above this high is gonna push price, okay? But then I'm leaving this this whole setup here, just in case we see a reversal sign here, we get out, okay? Let me leave it so that it reminds us that we are looking out for a reversal sign, so that if that reversal sign comes around here, we get out immediately, okay? I hope you are ready for this. Are you ready for this? It came down from the W, so let's take a trade here. Just take a trade at that level. I'm gonna just give you the points. So if there's any oh, come on, it's getting invalidated, guys. Getting invalidated. Don't invalidate this. This is the only trade I've seen on NAS today. Please, this thing. This is not fair, man. It's unfortunate. If it breaks below our stop loss, we remove the order, okay? Okay, it has broken below this, the candle we referenced for our stop loss, so we call it off, guys. We call this off, okay? We are calling this trade off. Now, the next thing we're going to do is now to be smart. The energy is still there. You just have to be smart now. It's time to be smart. Oh, nice. I love what I see. Okay. Should I call it back, guys? I think. It's coming back. It's coming back. Okay. It's coming back. As per my broker, price is somewhere here, guys. It's unfortunate. I don't know. Let me change this. This is nonsense. This is bullshit. I can't deal with this anymore, man. This is so annoying. Yes. So, fortunately, the excuse me. The break of above here is going to give us a good advantage for buys. The break of above here is a good advantage for buys. Why is this line not straight? Come on. Why is it always falling, guys? Come on. No, I want it to be straight. Right. Okay. Nice. Sorry, guys. Oh, thank you for listening. I wouldn't say sorry because I didn't insult anybody, right? I didn't offend anybody. So guys, price is consolidating now. Price pretty much is consolidating. So we say we buy above, but with a very tight stop loss of 38 pips. Okay, this is only applicable if you feel like you trust what we are doing. Okay, if you don't trust what we are doing, you better stay away. You better stay away, please. Okay, you please better stay away if you do not trust what we are doing. Okay, I hope nobody opened position yet, because our entry is not hit yet. So if you open a position, really I don't owe you any apology. Woo, guys, EURUSD is doing it again. Oh my god, come on, don't stop, just keep going, don't stop now, just keep going. Oh my god, guys, NAS is already triggered. God damn it, this is deceiving us, guys. This platform is so stupid. See, suddenly it jumped up. Normally we should have gotten in here, but the moment I saw that, God almighty, what is NAS? What is happening today, guys? Really, this is not acceptable, really. I mean, it's not acceptable. God damn it, this is not fair, man. It's not fair. How can we lose our entry and then incur more losses to our positions? This is not making any sense, really. It's not making any sense. I don't like this, man. I should have just stayed away, because this is not, it's not the way I trade. It's bullshit. Come on, what the hell is this? Even this is also not working. My broker is super faster than this, man. Shit. Guys, I'm gonna advise you, if you open any position, just close it up, please. Close it. Not making any sense, man. This is not fair. It's not fair, man. Okay, guys, so I just got in now. I'm selling now. Okay, selling now to see what sales have for us, since price is pushing down, and it has actually, let me tell you why I'm selling. Okay, it's pretty much very clear why I'm selling. Okay, this is the reason why I'm selling. If I lose out on this position, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm not gonna take any other position again today. Okay, if you see what is happening there, you're going to see that price actually went up to 70%, between 70% to 88% of Fibo, and reverse, right? And that is actually the order block, according to the people that call it order block, right? So this is what it is, man. This is what it is. This is just, I'm not happy with what is happening, guys. Really, I'm not happy. Okay, so let's get some sort of, I don't know why I'm not seeing any any point close by. God almighty, I'm really destabilized, guys. You don't understand. You guys don't understand what just happened to me now. I just feel so bad. I feel very bad, really. Okay, let's just mark out these two levels and use them. Okay, so this is gonna be our TP. I think this makes sense. So this TP is better, right? So the issue now is, if this is a fake out, then we are gone. If this is a fake out, then we are done. If this is a fake out, then we are completely messed up, really. Let's pray it's not a fake out anyway. Let's pray it's not a fake out. Really, the way this price behaved around here, I anticipated a buy, to NC, but unfortunately it didn't come. Damn, this is not making any sense. Okay, I've got a couple of comments here which says, okay, why does it do that? I don't know. What is fair? I don't know. Selling NAS? Yes. Selling NAS. Yes, we are selling NAS, my dear. We are actually selling NAS. But if you want to buy NAS, it's up to you. If your analysis says, hey, hello, Mr. Buy NAS, then go ahead and do it. Now my broker started doing the same thing. My broker is doing the same thing now. Everything is freezing. Could this be my network? You guys can hear me, right? So it's not my network. Come on. This is not funny. So guys, if I were you, I'm going to close 50% of my positions now. The moment this low is broken already. So guys, close 50% of a position, okay? Because this is how we manage risk. We don't let risk get out of hand before we manage them, okay? Close 50% of a position. Let's see if our NAS is actually working now, so we can have good visibility. Okay, I think it's back to normal now. It's back to normal. We got in somewhere. Where did we get in? We got in somewhere here. Yeah, we got in somewhere here. Right. Yes. We got in somewhere here. So with our stop loss all the way here, okay? That's a lot, if I would say. That's a lot. That's a lot. So our TP is somewhere. Let's see. God, something very bad happened to me just now. Something very bad happened to my account. Not a margin call, by the way. But something very bad happened to my account now that I feel so sad, guys. I feel so upset. For some reasons, I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Okay, guys, this is it now. The trade is running now. It is back to normal now. We need to close this now. Let's open EURUSD and see what EURUSD is doing. Right. See, sometimes, most of the times, EURUSD and NAS, they are correlated, right? So when it moves up and NAS is moving down, really, I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced to take a trade, right? Okay, but then what to do? Let's see how this works out. Man, there's no volume today. There's no volume, really, guys. There's no volume. No volume. I can't see the volume. The volume just, we just had a slash and that's it. Just had this slash, this should I call it stupid slash? Yes, I'm free to call it stupid slash. We had this stupid slash, and then this started forming. So we assumed, or do I say I assumed that price was actually gonna go up, continue up. Again, we got caught around here. What to do? We have to lose that money. I'm not happy about it, really. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Okay, let's see what price is doing. The moment price slashes into this zone, this marked zone, okay, we move our stop loss to above. We move our stop loss to somewhere above this. Okay, so let's see. We move our stop loss to somewhere above this zone, that to 16 pips. Okay, so let's wait for price to slash into this area. So while holding this position, I'm going to announce now we are not in a deep loss here. Okay, we are still the loss is still very controllable, about a few pips loss. Okay, so if you are not comfortable with what is happening now, we have 13 pips loss already. So if you're not comfortable with what's happening here, it's time to quit. Okay, I wouldn't want you to feel bad or contact me or get in touch with me telling me, oh, because of that stream I lost $200,000. Can you loan me $100,000? I will give you back when we finish streaming. Please. Oh, sorry my dear. It's okay. I don't think this is network issue there. This is actually liquidity provider issue. I feel it's liquidity provider issue because at some point in time it started happening on my own broker platform. So I don't know. For those of us who are not yet on my Telegram channel is PPPDirhams, the same name as my YouTube. Go ahead and follow us there because this is actually how we get to communicate with each other. Okay, go ahead and follow us over there. Okay, there is our identity on all the social media platforms. We do this every day, even without market open. We still take positions with everyone. Okay, so we called a couple of positions today on EURUSD, which were correct, and personally I made profit, and a couple of other guys confirmed that they made profits as well. So this is how we do here. Go ahead and join us over there so that we can all be interacting, if you understand what I mean. Once price slashes, I just want to see, oh come on, slash into this area. Once price slashes into this area, we move our stop loss to 16 pips and close about 50%. Once it moves further, we move it to break even already. Well, I think we just move it to break even. The moment price slashes into the zone, we'll just move it to break even. Don't need to even leave it at 16 pips because this is a very important zone where I suspect that price is gonna range. Let me forgot where I got this line from. Let me go to the genesis of this line. Yes, let's see what actually is happening here. Okay, so why the hell is that line over there? Okay, because of this level, yeah, because of all this, yeah, because of that line is over there, because of this this noise is around here, right? So I guess that's why I put it there. If you look at 4 hours, you're gonna see clearly, right? Yeah, exactly. So look at 4 hours, you're gonna see I've dropped the line there because of this zone. Looking very interesting. Okay, now that we've shrunk the line, I was actually looking for a way to shrink the line, but before I shrink it, I wanted to see what the line was for. It was so unpleasant. So guys, let me know your thoughts on EURUSD. Is EURUSD gonna go down or up? What do you think? For me, according to my trend line, it's gonna go up. I'm just waiting for it to go up and attempt to break this zone, because this area is long overdue for a break. I feel this zone is long overdue for a break. Okay, even if it's not long overdue, this zone, right? Price have dwelled here for some time, so we needed to have a retest of this zone, right? And some sort of a fake out here, and then for price to continue going down, if at all it's going to continue going down, right? So I don't know why EURUSD is not really listening to us, guys. Really, I mean, I don't trade this kind of movement. I mean, the movement is so haphazard. It's just random movement happening here. It's not even making any sense. The movement is not making any sense, if you understand what I mean. It's not making any sense. In 5 minutes here, it makes more sense now. But then what is so difficult in slashing through, man? This is volume time. Okay, now it's time for us to exit, guys. So decide, do you want to exit this position? This is 5:55 already, and we have a news that's going to cause some sort of zigzag movement on the way. Do you want to exit this position? Do you want to exit this position? If yes, then exit now. If no, then move your stop loss. No, don't just leave your stop loss there. Just sacrifice 42 pips. Let's see where we can get with all this. Okay, now is the time to close the positions. I'm just reminding you guys, we have a news that's going to cause whipsaw coming. It's on the way, so you may want to close the positions, guys. You may want to close the positions. Just a word of advice, so that nobody's going to feel bad at the end of the day. Big boys are forcing NAS most. Okay. Pedro Torres, big boys are forcing NAS most likely. So who are the big boys? Are you one of them? If you know any of them, please can you share the contact with me? Really, I want to have a big boys number, okay? So I can call them and tell them, sir, I'm on EURUSD trade and I need it to go up. Could you just support? Then he's just gonna load up EURUSD and call his other friends and say, okay, let's push EURUSD 20 pips. I don't think that's a reality, guys. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, I know. I understand what you mean, Torres. I understand what you mean perfectly well. But then you can't. I mean, it's just funny to listen to that, to hear that big boys are It's okay. But if you have anybody on Wall Street, any company or any big boys, big game changers, just if you have their contact, please help us with it, because I can actually I have my way of talking to people to do what I want them to do, right? So I can convince them to help me move EURUSD up maybe 40 to 50 pips. It's gonna be so nice, really. I'll be so happy, It's gonna make me so alive. Guys, this position we took here is very avoidable, and I feel very bad. It's very avoidable, the position we took here. I mean, going up, right? It was very avoidable. Why? Initially, my plan was to looking at how everything is just pushing down and everything. Let's see. Everything was just pushing down, you know, without respect for nothing. And then let's see this. Yeah, this is right. So looking at this a test of this Fibo area, right? It should have told me earlier that this high here should be retested before price can continue going down. It should have told me that price is never going up, right? When I did not see that. I was too blind to see. And the implication is that I don't want to say it. I don't want to say it on live stream because it's so humiliating. But something happened to one of my accounts. Definitely not a margin call. Something worse than a margin call. If you are smart enough, you will know what I'm talking about. And I'm so sad already. I have plans for that account, guys. I have serious plans for that account. Okay, in less than 11 seconds, we're gonna see the news, and new 1 hour is gonna form. My question to you is: do you want to leave your positions running, or do you want to close it? Now, the news, guys. The news. Don't blame me for any loss. Close out now. Okay, forecast 60, actual 59.5. So it is less than actual, less than forecast, but greater than previous release. So it is actually not is good for US because the numbers are greater. I don't know how this is read, whether maybe big numbers are bad. I don't know. So let me just keep quiet. I don't know how the numbers are read. But then, as long as it's not red, it's not green, it means it doesn't have any impact on the market, right? Oh, guys, I think somebody in the Wall Street heard what I said, actually. Somebody in the Wall Street heard what I said, and he decided to move the market, right? Let's see. Let me open my broker. Actually, that's EURUSD pair. Oh, Jen, dang. This is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. Nice. Guys, should I show you this? If I show you this, please don't ever try this. I'm trying this at my own perils, okay? This is it. This is all buys. This is all buys, guys. Don't ever try that at home. Don't try that with your account. You're gonna blow up your account. I'm doing this based on experience. When I have a confirmation, I insist and persist that it's gonna happen. And at the end of the day, it goes my way. It doesn't always go my way. Like today, this morning I lost a huge chunk of my account, doing this. So what I'm doing now is some sort of, I'm trying to what I lost, I'm trying to recover it. But you shouldn't recover what you lost. You just need to stick to risk management. Okay, for the first time today, I'm risking more than 5%. Okay, so you don't need to be me, guys. Don't be me, please. Do not copy that from me. Okay, do not copy that from me. Do not copy that from me. And if I want to close this now, it's just gonna take me seconds, because initially I closed them manually, right? But then I got something, some scripts that closes them automatically for me. So once I run the script, everything closes. So do not worry. If I see price doing what I don't like, I'm just gonna click the script and everything goes. Boom. I got that yesterday night. So beautiful, so beautiful. So, do you still want to hold this position, guys? Do you still want to hold this position? It's all up to you. For me, I'm gonna be here. If my stop loss gets hit, I'll kiss it and go. Now this is actually a no man's land. This is the devil's area. What the hell are we doing in taking a position here when we know that this is the devil's area, right? This is the devil's area, guys. This is the devil's area. Let's just hope that price behaves here. I'm gonna stay online for the next 10 to 15 minutes. And this, if this is doing something we still don't like, I'm just gonna close everything and go. But I mean, looking at 10 minutes, actually we still have some opportunities here. Okay, yeah, it's the devil's zone, but we still have some opportunities. If this candle can flip, then we're gonna see definitely TP. And these days it's difficult for volume to come in. I don't know. Is it because today is Friday, guys? Today is Friday, right? Yeah, today is Friday. Yeah, today is Friday. So again, I'm going to announce again, if you're not comfortable with this position, now is your time to quit, please. Do not count your losses and name them 1 by 1 or 2 by 2. I'm not going to be responsible for any loss you incur as a result of this live stream, okay? I'm not going to be responsible at all, okay? EURUSD, I know I love this too much, but I mean, you are just getting insane. You're driving me nuts. I mean, touch 1, touch 2, 3, 4, perhaps 5 and 6. What the hell is wrong with this level? Something is wrong with this level, guys. Does anyone know? Ghost man, what the hell? Push up, break it, man. Go. What happens to that spirit, guys? Guys, thanks for listening to me, but then I wasn't talking to you guys. I was actually I talk to Currency Pace, and we have conversations sometimes. We talk. I mean, what you see? When I scold it listens to me. I think I'm going to just close my positions, man. I'm tired of holding these positions. Let me just start closing them. Close all order and position. I have 235 positions. They've started closing already. Okay, at the moment I have 221. At the moment I have 219. They are closing gradually 1 by 1. At the moment I have 214. At the oh my god, this is beautiful. I think why this guy is closing, I think I should support it because it's too slow for me. It's supposed to close in seconds, but then it's just wasting more time. Let me just be closing with it. I should be closing with it. Let me be closing with it. Oh my god, this is beautiful, guys. My EURUSD position is beautiful. What about NAS? Oh my god, NAS is going to shit. NAS is going to shit. God damn it. Man, can you guys believe that this guy is still closing the positions? Man, who wrote this script, man? The person needs to go to jail, man. I still have 57 positions open. Now 50, now 40, 50, 49. Whoever wrote this script, man, should go to jail. He deserves some jail time, man. Though I didn't pay, though. Didn't pay. 36 left. 33. Come on, price is dropping. Stop. Go faster. NAS will drop, guys. Don't worry. NAS is gonna drop, okay? Do not worry yourselves. NAS is gonna drop. But then we should have closed this position here. Okay, if we had closed there, we would have gotten another entry here. NAS will drop, don't worry. Come on, man. This is dropping. Close fast. Do you know that this guy stopped closing? The hell is wrong? I'm gonna sue. You guys have showed me that this is gonna work. It didn't work. I'm gonna sue you guys. Better. Yes, Simeon Conley is asking what happened. NAS, bro. I don't really know what happened to NAS because, really, sincerely speaking, this I've never seen that before. I've never really seen that before. Give me one moment. Let me close my other positions in the other account. Close all, please. It's closing. Then after that, I can talk. Yes, it's all closed now. I hope I made good nice. I think, guys, I made back all my losses today. All my losses, guys, I'm happy to announce that I made them all back in my 2 accounts. I made them back. But did I make extra profits? And NAS, I made. Let's see, 1 second. I was at yesterday night. Apologies, guys. Really, I apologize for the delay. Please stay with me. Come on, guys, if you still have your complete positions open on NAS, I would advise you close up to 70% now because I don't see any good signs here. I don't really see any good signs on NAS anymore. It's unfortunate. Shit. Damn. This is damn. Close my positions and price is heading to my TP. But then the good thing is that nothing is good about this. There's nothing to talk about. So our stop loss is hit, guys. You took a hit on the last day of the week. You've been winning throughout the week, and then on the last day of the week, we took a hit. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. As at yesterday, I closed my challenge accounts at 141,000, and this morning I took a trade and left it and was searching for a stop loss too, so that I can add stop loss to all of them at once, because I open multiple positions up to, I think, 215, I think, or something, or more, I don't know. So I was looking for a tool to use and add stop loss, because I'm tired of adding stop loss manually. Price dropped a lot and cost me 50% of my account, okay, because I didn't use stop loss. It cost me 50% of my account, and that is it. I just made it back, and I'm now, from in the morning I had 141,000. When that happened, I had only 78,000. Now I have 157,000. So I made at least a gain of 16,000 extra on top of that money. So Do not worry about this. Let's observe and see if it's going to retrace. Then we can, guys, do you know what I suggest we do? We take a break. You know why? Because the liquidity providers are stupid. Unfortunately, I have to say it this way. This is hanging. It's hanging. This is not the way NAS moves, guys. It's hanging. Something is wrong with index. NAS on crack. What does that mean, Torres? If you mind explaining that. This is not how NAS moves, guys. Something is wrong. Something is wrong somewhere. Guys, imagine I closed my position here. All my positions within this area, right? Imagine I had left it open until here. That would have been, maybe my account would have been somewhere around 300,000 now. I'm very sure of it. Like, I'm very, very sure of it. My account should have been in 300,000 by now. But I'm happy because whatever thing I lost this morning, I made everything back. But except in one account. But just few thousands of dollars less in one account. But then the dollar I made in second account is going to offset that. Can you see? This is not how NAS moves, guys. Let me show you how NAS moves normally. Let me bring up my broker here. Let me open NAS platform and show you my broker. Just one moment. Let me. Yes, 1 minute. Yes, this is how NAS moves. This is how it moves. See, it moves like this here. Up, up, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, 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 up. This is the way NAS moves. But look at what is happening here, guys. Nothing is happening technically. It's just jumping. See, it's just jumping, guys. It's jumping only. It's not moving. And this is why we don't have good visibility on what is happening. Anyway, for those of us who are willing to take one more position, for me, I'm not going to open any single position today. I'm done with EURUSD. EURUSD, today I'm done. Let me mention this. EURUSD is an asset I trade day in, day out. It's available in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. Wake up, yell, and trade EURUSD. It's always available. Okay, that is why I use it for flippings, for my flipping activities. Okay. NAS and German index, I trade them at market opens, and once market open is done, I stay away from them. So what do you mean by yeah, NAS is on crack? By crack meaning what? I mean, what what do you mean by NAS is on crack, guys? Let me understand, please, because I'm lost completely. I'm lost. So what do you mean, guys? Now I'm lost. Neo, are you here? Neo, you know, in the morning we made very nice profits, and my good friend Neo was actually taking all the trades on demo. It was after the position that perhaps he wanted to withdraw and found out that there's no money in his account, and he found he looked at the platform. All the trades were taken on demo. I'm so sorry, my friend, about that. I'm not actually, you know, making fun of you, but it just is very funny, you know, how things can happen to good people. Is this a breakout retest, guys? Keys across Benz. Well, we cannot answer that question because we are fed up with NAS today. We are fed up with NAS for the day. We took 2 trades and we lost both of them. So you don't want to try NAS again today, guys. Really, you don't want to try NAS again today. Well, it could be a breakout retest. Let's find out. Let's now. How do we get this? Okay, guys. I think you guys actually you guys have seen what actually happened there. That area I called Devil's Zone. Price went to that area and never came back again. It just has been moving up, right? So that is why we need to pay attention to these things I call Devil's Zone, right? It's a new term, but then I need to show you what is Devil's Zone. Okay? It's very, very important that you take note of it so that you don't fall a victim of this Devil's Zone. This is Devil's Zone. See this? This long wick, right? You don't expect price to come and just pierce through it. Price, there must be consolidation. So price came here, crossed here, came back and closed above here, and then jumped back up. This is Devil's Zone. You have to be careful. Look at what's going on here. Look at this. I mean, just full of obstructions. You know, I like calling these things these names so that you understand how pertinent they are, how important they are. If I keep using weak, you are tired of hearing weak. It's better I use terms that you are conversant with. Okay? This is the devil. This is the devil himself here. Okay? Especially if you see things like, I mean, this is also very significant, but if it's close to the body of a candle, it makes sense. But when you now have a separate devil zone, another separate devil, and another separate devil, it means this whole zone is devil zone. I mean, you don't play with that zone. It's a very, you need to pay attention to that zone if you want to, succeed for that day. Because I mean, look at, I mean, price came to that devil zone. You see, I marked it, right? Came to the devil zone, closed above, and jumped up. Now I can't even tell what price is doing. I can't even tell whether price is going up or down, right? Okay, let's see. So from here we have, excuse me, let me get this. We have a retest. Yes, nice. So the next retest is supposed to happen from the next measurement is supposed to happen from the recent high to this. So I will say, let's observe with patience, okay? Do not force trade. Let's observe. You have to apply some elements of patience, okay? In as much as this is a bullish engulfing candle, okay? But then I've seen bullish engulfing candles that ends up getting corrected completely and gets broken, okay? So let's see how this area closes. Let's switch back to 1 minute, please, because I understand 1 minute better these days anyway. Let's see. So for this, I'll say that we are anticipating. Are we anticipating anything, man? The trend is still very bearish. Nice. I like what I see. Now this is broken, right? For those of us who still want to take trades, but then guys, be careful, because this structure is this way, right? And it is broken already. What if this is a retest coming down here? Man, this is all bullshit. 30 minutes high is broken, but it's most likely a fake out. 1 hour high is broken. There's no confirmation whether it's a fake out or not. 4 hours. Let's see. 4 hours. High is not broken. Nice. So is it possible that this 4 hours is going to come down? I would say no, because of this line. Its price is respecting this line. So guys, really go home and rest. I'm not going to call any trade again, and I'm not going to take any trade again today. Go home and rest. Let's deal with your loss we've recorded. And I wish everyone all the best, and I hope to see everyone again. Today was a huge error, prompted first by liquidity providers, because if it were broker issues, then it wouldn't have happened on my own broker as well, because you saw FXCM actually their NAS got frozen and was literally doing nothing. The moment I switched to my broker, everything was okay, fine, and suddenly everything went everything died down. I mean, there was some sort of freezing happening, just the way it was happening on FXCM. telling me that this is actually liquidity providers dealings, not brokers fault, right? So that we're not blaming anybody for our failure. We're taking responsibility for wrong analysis. No, not wrong analysis, I would say, but then a market didn't play out in our way, so we're taking full responsibility for that. But then brokers contributed to today's failure in a way. Okay, so that's all I have to say, guys. I really wish to see you guys some other time next week. Most likely on Monday, I'm gonna be online as usual in the morning. Normally trade morning 11 a.m. and 10:55 a.m. against London Open at 11 a.m. GST Gulf Standard Time. Okay, and then in the evening I take trades at 5:15. I start streaming at 5:15 p.m. GST Gulf Standard Time against New York Open at 5:30 p.m. GST. So these are the times I trade every single day. Make sure you join me on Monday. And after Monday, I may not be available in the morning anymore. After Monday, my morning sessions will be only on Mondays. After Monday, after this week, my morning sessions will be limited to Mondays. After Monday, it's going to be just evening. That is once per day, okay? I wish everyone well. After all, we've not been gaining much during our morning session. We just gain 35 pips, 45 pips. Evening sessions are way better, okay? Come again with the time. Okay, the time is actually on the description. Go to the description and see that, my friend, okay? In the morning, it is 10:55 a.m. GST. GST means Gulf Standard Time. That is Dubai time, okay? Convert that to your local time, okay? And then the next streaming is normally in the evening at 5:15 p.m. Gulf Standard Time. That is Dubai time, okay? So check that out in your local time and be ready for that. And just as a peck before I close, this pair price is going to fall on NAS. From what I see in 1 minute, price is going to fall. Why not morning session can't trade without you? Who the hell is that? Don't say that, man. You can trade without me 100%. You have to believe in yourself and understand how everything works. No, you can trade without me, brother, sister. Okay, do not say that again, please. You can trade without me. I have some engagements I'm doing. Right now, I stopped doing that because I'm streaming morning sessions. So, morning sessions from after Monday is going to be on hold until further notice, okay? I'm gonna be available every Monday for morning sessions alone, but then evening sessions is gonna happen every single day. Okay, guys, thank you very much. And from what I see, price is gonna fall. NAS is gonna fall. From what I see, do not open any position because I'm done trading. I don't want to look at positions again. I want to just close my charts and get the hell out of this house. Okay, guys, trading from the States in Indiana. Trading from the States in Indiana. Fantastic, my friend. That's beautiful. What you need to do, my friend, is to convert my time to your time so I can get the accurate time for my streaming so that you can join me every time when you want, okay? Because sometimes you take streams of losses, like like a lot of losses in a row. Like maybe 1 week we are taking losses in 1 week, and then the next week we just kill it and kill it and kill it and kill it and kill it. It all happens to everybody. Even the best person, the best trader in the whole world loses. He loses a lot, right? So we don't need to take this. Don't be hard on yourselves, guys. Don't be hard on yourselves, okay? Do not be hard on yourself. Kiki Perez, it's good to have you. Enjoy your weekend. And right now it's 10:30 a.m. Yes, just convert my time to your time. So yeah, I know about EST, but I don't want to suffer myself talking about EST when I have my time. So you want to see my stream, convert my time to your time, okay? So convert my time to your time if you want to see my stream. See, market is not going down like I said. It's trying to move up. So get the hell out of market, guys. Close the laptops, close the computer, shut down your chat, close your phone, delete MetaTrader from your phone now. After weekend, install it. You are going to thank me later for this, okay? Guys, have a lovely weekend. I wish all of you all the best. Thank you. Yeah, that is me right there. That's Kingsley right there. That's me. That's Kingsley right there. So this is me.